What's going on, everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to another episode of Technoid. Ignore the AirPods in my ears. I am listening to the World Cup, so there's going to be a double duty task today on today's episode. But today's episode, we've got a long-awaited review that I have been so neglectful of, and I would like to genuinely apologize for the long delay for this video. As a matter of fact, a couple of these reviews have been long delayed, so I apologize for the long wait. But today's video, we're going to take a look at the all-new, almost dropped it there, MagBak 3-in-1 charger. And this one is not just any charger. This is actually for Samsung users, because Samsung users, you have got yourself a triple charger, and it has a smartwatch charger for your Galaxy Watch. Now, before we talk about all the details and the products and everything, I want to give a huge shout out to MagBak, as they were very kind enough to make this video possible, and I want to thank them for their continued patience for when this video came out. But with that being said, they do not have a say. They do not tell me what to say. They don't have any affiliation with this video. They are seeing it the same time that you guys are. And also, if you notice, my studio is a little bit on the boring side. We are trying to change up a few things, so most notably this stupid thing here. But with that being said, we are working to improve the studio, guys, so please make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because there are going to be a lot of updates coming in the near future, and you're not going to want to miss them. So now we got that all out of the way, let's talk about the charger. Now, the charger itself is a triple 3-in-1 charger, and it is actually on the minimal side. This is for anyone looking for a clean and nice modern setup for your bedroom, or in your office when you're working, or if you want something just for, you know, the ease of convenience, because there are 3 different chargers on this device. You have a Qi pad right in the bottom of the back, you have the Samsung Galaxy Watch charger at the top, and of course you have the big magnetic Qi charger, which is the big star of this thing outside of the top charger. But before we talk about the charger, the build quality is very exceptional. It is made out of aluminum. It has a nice, very slim profile. As a matter of fact, this is probably the cleanest design that I have ever seen from MagBak. And I've used all their products, and I've used a lot of chargers. I've used cooling fans. This is actually very minimal, so I have to give them a lot of props. If I had not known that this was MagBak, I would have thought that this might have been an Apple design product. That's what it looks like. Like, I would have thought that Apple designed this because of the aluminum and because of how it looks. Now, the charger itself does support Qi 2. However, at the time of recording this video, there is a newer model which we will review at a later point that does support the Qi 2.2 or the 25 watt super fast wireless charging, or just 25 watts of wireless charging speed for Apple users. But this is a minimal design, and it works very good with all of the cases. I have tested multiple cases. I have used not only Spigen, I have also used MagBak's cases. I've also used Thinborn. So I can report that the magnets are very strong. They are very sturdy. As a matter of fact, I'll even show you on my iPhone Air. If I take this bad boy, put it right here, if I line it up correctly, it lines up nicely. And if I turn it sideways, it will also go into landscape mode, and it does a really good job. But of course, being that this is for Samsung users, the biggest highlight, of course, is that Apple Watch charger, Samsung Galaxy Watch charger. Man, I'm gonna get attacked in the comments for that one. But as you can see, this will now charge your Galaxy Watch, and it helps to make the setup feel complete. Now, this is actually something that I will give a lot of credit to MagBak for making Android users, specifically Samsung users, feel appreciated in this department, because there are not many triple chargers out there that will accommodate the Galaxy Watch. We are starting to see more accessories make their way to the market, but nothing has really been definitive, and I do appreciate that MagBak is willing to accommodate to the Samsung users, so I gotta give them respect for that. The only negatives that I have is really the cooling performance. I think that this thing does heat up quite a bit compared to the other chargers that I've used, and I hope with the newer model, now of course it is an increase in charging speeds, I do hope that they have added a little bit of layer of thickness to maybe help with heat dissipation, or maybe add some kind of thermal paste or something to accommodate for cooling, because even though it does have thermal cooling built into it to throttle the temperature, it did overheat significantly, but not to the point where it's unbearable. The only other negative that I really have is that sometimes I get readings of 7.5 versus the 15 watts, and even the charging brick that comes with it, I would have wished for a little bit more of a stronger, faster charging brick, because this one is rated at, I believe, 30 watts. But when you're using all three of them at the same time, sometimes it doesn't really feel powerful enough. Now again, it could just be me, could be my testing, but I would have liked maybe 35 or 40 watt brick to power this. But again, not gonna make a big stink out of it. So all in all, is it a good charger? Well, for the price and for the package that you're getting, absolutely. I think that a triple charger is great to have, but I love the fact that it is very minimal. It has a very sleek design. It's got fast wireless charging speeds, and with the new Qi 2.2 model that has just come out, it will also be even more faster. And for Samsung users, this is a huge one because now you have something for your Galaxy Watch. And I actually appreciate when companies do that instead of the Apple Watch. I understand the Apple Watch is a lot more popular in terms of sales, but the Galaxy Watch is just as important for the Samsung ecosystem, so it's great to see the variety of choice. So I will leave a link in the description to this charger and the updated 2.2. I will leave it all in the description. And again, I want to thank MagBak for being a part of today's episode and appreciate them for being a part of the Technoid show. Again, guys, I appreciate your support. I appreciate everything you guys have done for me. We got so many more reviews coming. I thank you all for being there. I will see you on the next episode. Have a good day, and if you're watching the World Cup, let's go Messi.